Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, what we'll be doing here, we'll apply to Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX, guys. Both of the vehicles share the same platform, same engines, guys. So if you have any of the following codes, guys, okay, and we may even have more information in the description of the video below, guys. I'm talking some of the codes are P0443 or code P0444. Stay with us, guys, and we'll explain what causes that now and how to fix it. We'll show you guys how we'll diagnose the system and what needs to be replaced. Quick introduction, guys. We will have more than 200 videos on every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX. Why? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all that from for a really good price and pretty quick shipping as well. So now this is, guys, 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on. 2009 Ford Edge, that's the scanner that we'll be using. As I said, Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX, okay, they share the same platform, guys, so it should apply to both vehicles. This is the 3.5 engine, but it could be helpful even if you have the 3.7 or the 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder engine as well. So right here we're going to find our Obd port. Okay, it looks like that. Go ahead, okay, connect it now. Here, guys, reconnect it for us because we already did that. Now I will go inside, guys, and we'll show you guys, okay, what we're going to do. We'll turn ignition back on. Okay, ignition switch is back on, and now you can see we'll click enter here. Now what it does, it's actually establishing communication with the vehicle, guys. It will take a little bit of time. It's communicating with the car computer. Next, what we will do, we will simply, guys, click OK, enter. Next, guys, we'll click read codes. Check stored and pending codes. Sometimes you may have extra information there. Under stored codes, we have code P0443, guys, right there, P0443, as you can see. So what else, guys? Okay, let me show you. If you go back, check pending codes. Pending, same code. Now you may have a code P0444 as well, guys, and maybe even a few others. We'll go ahead, turn the car off, we'll open the hood, guys, and I will show you what needs to be replaced, okay, and what you need to check actually to be able to find out for sure, okay, what's the problem with your vehicle. Now if you guys need to buy any parts, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So okay, let's open the hood now, so we can, guys, explain here. This is the 3.5 engine, 3.7 will be about the same, and even if you have the 4-cylinder turbo engine, okay, it may apply to it as well. So now, guys, looking at the engine on the far wall right here, we have a device that's called a purge valve, guys. Okay, this device, it's called a purge valve right there. This device is very important, guys. Okay, what it does actually, this device, guys, takes the fuel vapors from the fuel tank, brings them to the intake, guys, and burns those vapors through the engine, so you do not pollute the atmosphere and you get better mileage. You're not losing fuel in the form of fuel vapors in the atmosphere. Now if that valve quits working, okay, it will not open or close, and you may get different symptoms. We have a video on the channel that explains the symptoms, so please check it out, guys. But now about that valve, okay, always check it, guys. You have only one connector. Make sure the connector is plugged in. They're super simple to test. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test one, which is not very complicated at all. Check it out and you will see how you can test it and know if yours is good or bad. So we'll go ahead and replace ours, guys. Ours is bad, and we'll show you guys if that takes care of the problem. If you want to see the replacement one, we'll have the video on the channel, so please check it out. Let's replace it and see if that will take care of the problem now. So we closed, guys. Okay, we closed the hood and we replaced ours already. Now let me go inside. We have another one that we use here, and what we'll do, guys, okay, we'll turn the ignition back on. Let's turn the ignition back on. Now we're going to go back. We'll click, guys, okay, right here, erase codes. Perfect, erase done. And if I start the car now, we shouldn't have the engine light on, guys. Okay, check it out now. So that definitely takes care of the problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.